Hello children, hope you are all keeping safe at home. I am back with another session of art. Today we are going to see magic with fingers. I hope you are practicing the earlier video where I had shown oil crystals and coloring and drawing of fruits and vegetables. And on this occasion I wish all the mothers a very happy Mother's Day. Children, kindly give your thanks and love to your mothers. Now let us start. So you have your hands, how many fingers? 10. So I will tell you that we can do magic with our fingers. Now let us start. I have already drawn some animals with the help of finger. See, this is a giraffe which I will show how I have drawn. This is how you have to keep your hands and take an outline of your fingers like this and extend it till here, and then you draw the eyes, the mouth, tongue and the spots on the giraffe's body. Then you have to color it with yellow and brown. I have already colored it. After you finish coloring, to get a smooth finish, you have to rub with the tissue paper and do like this so that you get a smooth finish of the color. So this is giraffe for you, and if you again keep my hands like this, you can see how I have drawn the giraffe with my hands. Now the next one is a snail. So for the snail, you have to keep your hands like this and take out the outline of your hands like this. See? First you have to do with pencil. Don't do directly with the sketch pen. If there is some mistake, you can again erase and draw again. So this is a snail. After the snail is drawn, you just draw some spirals like this and small dots where you can color it green. And it's not necessary that you have to color like this only. You can color on your own. Now the next animal is a snake, as you can see. So you have to keep your hands like this and draw the outline first. See? So you have to do it slowly. Don't do it in a fast way. So just take the outline of your hands and you will get a snake. And from here you have to do like this and join the line like this, and inside you have to draw some patterns like triangles. So this is a snake. I have already colored it. You can color it in any. Now some birds. So let us see the birds. See, I have kept my hands like this and take the full hand with your closed fingers. This is my thumb and coming across. See? And then you close this line like this. Draw the feathers, the beak and the feet. And then you can color. This is a duck. Now this is a flamingo. How you have to keep your hands like this? See, like this. Close your fist and again with the pair of pencil or a sketch pen, I suggest you draw it with pencil first and then you can mark the outline with your sketch pen. And then the legs. You can also draw an ostrich also. This is a flamingo, and with the ostrich also same. This is a tortoise. Again you have to keep your hands like this. Same. Here the hands were like this. Now it is like this. This is a tortoise. And the feet of the tortoise. See? And then you can color the shells and the body. Okay, now this is done. Now we come to the fox. For fox, what you have to do is like this and this. This is the hand, how you have to keep like this, and then draw the outline. fox. So after that you reach here and you draw some zigzag lines to finish off and join those two lines with zigzag. Inside what you have to do is make a line like this. These are the eyes. This is the tongue. You have to make another line like this and some zigzag lines. So and then color in two different colors, orange and yellow. So this is a fox. The next is a dog. So you have to keep your fingers like this, like a gun shape, and then like this. Okay, then you have to draw the outline. See, this is a dog face, and then you make some coloring here for the nose, some dots here and some mustache. This is the eyes, this is, and you have to join this like this. This is the ear part. Okay, so this is the dog. Now here we have an elephant. You see this, a baby elephant? So for this elephant, what I have done is I have kept my hands like this and drawn. So again keep your fingers like this and join the lines. So you reach here, complete the line, and this is the tail of the elephant. Inside you have to draw an ear like shape in form of a tree. These are the eyebrows, eyes, a small trunk, teeth, and the legs. You have to draw some legs. This is the elephant, and this is a horse. Again for the horse, you have to draw your lines like this and keep your thumbs inside. You don't need the thumbs to be protruding out. The thumb should be pointed inside. Yes, and then again with this some wavy lines here for the hair of the horse, the eyes and the nose part. Done. You can color it with any color. You can leave it white also for a white horse or a brown horse. Okay, now we come to the, what is this animal, children? Can you see? This is a crocodile. Again same like a dog, you have to do the gun shape. This is the gun shape. Then you have to draw the outline like this. This is the thumb part and finish it off like this. And for after the thumb you have to make a tongue, another line for the tongue, and make some sharp teeth with the help of some triangles. So this is the big eyes, the long nose. So isn't it looking good? And again I have told you, as I told you, for light green you have to color and then you have to rub it like this to get a smooth finish of the color. Now what is this, children? This is a national bird, peacock. How I have drawn this? You keep your palm full like this. Okay. So first we will do one palm. So this is your full palm with fingers apart. You have to take the handprint. You have all done these type of drawings when you were small, handprint. Now for the next, again you have to keep your right hand, and with the left hand you have to hold your pen and draw it like this. So our national bird is getting drawn. Please do it with the pencil first. Don't directly do with the sketch pen. Otherwise, if there is some mistake, you can always go back and rub it, erase it. So, and then you finish this line off here. Both the hands are like this. See, on top of another. Thumb should overlap on each other, and then the body you have to draw. This is the front facing peacock with the beak the eyes and the crown. Okay, and you can color it nicely, beautifully. You can color it even bit better than mine. I have just done a rough coloring. So this is the national bird. So let us again recap. Peacock, how you have drawn like this. Crocodile with the gun shaped hands like this. Then this side there is an elephant with your left hand like this. This is a horse with your thumb inside like this. This side, what is there? We have a fox where you have to keep your tall man inside, and like this you have to keep your. So this becomes the two ears and the face. With the dog again, gun. This is the dog. And this here, the giraffe with one tall finger inside like the fox. And see, this is the snail. Snail and tortoise are same, isn't it? And this is the snake. All the fingers inside, only the little one and the thumb outside. This becomes the snake. And for the birds, flamingo or ostrich, whichever you like. So this is how you have to keep your hands. Okay? And for the duck, like this. So, thank you children. I hope you like this session of arts, and do some abracadabra magic with your fingers and show it to your parents, and they'll be so happy that you've learned to draw animals and birds with the help of your 10 fingers. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my video.